All right, guys, please try this next question and you can resume for its solution. Okay, guys, so the length of all four sides of a quadrilateral are integer valued. If three of its sides are 1, 2, and 4 centimeters, then the total number of possible lengths of the four sides is. So it's a very good question. Very conceptual, not too much too many or too much calculations. So let's see. The first case we take is that x is the largest side of this particular quadrilateral. Now, you can join any two diagonals. For simplicity, I'm joining this one. Now, in this case, what do I observe? I have a triangle, right, guys? I have triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, the sum of two sides, AB and AC, will be greater than the third side, right? So the sum of two sides, AB and AC, is greater than third side. So third side BC will definitely be less than 1 plus 2, that is 3, right? So third side is less than 3. It will be maximum 2.999 something, right? Now, again, for the triangle, the sum of two sides is always greater than third side, right? So the sum of two sides, let's say BC, and let's say call this point as D. BC and CD, okay, for triangle ACD, will be greater than third side BD, right? So BC is 2.99, suppose, okay, and CD is 4, BD is less than that. So BD is definitely less than 6.9, right? That is one possible value we get for both side X. It is less than 6.9. Now I'll consider the second case, guys. In the second case, okay, the largest side is 4. Okay, so if 4 is the largest side here, okay, in that case, we can say BC will be obviously 2.9999 something at max, because it has to be definitely less than 3. Okay, so DC is the largest side here in this case, or let's take BC and BD for that matter. The sum of two sides, okay, or 2.9 recurring, is greater than the third side, 4. So X will be basically greater than 4 minus 2.9 recurring, right? Or basically X is greater than 1 point something, right? So in this case, guys, X or the fourth side BD is greater than 1 point something. Okay. Now, BD is the fourth side of the quadrilateral. It is greater than 1 point something and it is less than 6.9 recurring. So the least value BD can take is 2, integral value, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So there are 5 possible values that BD can take. Now, of course, you can check for other conditions also, guys. But the limiting conditions are these, okay, considering 4 as the largest side and then X as the largest side. You can check other conditions also, but then for considering all possible cases, you will get the least value as 2 and largest as 6. So there are basically 5 possible values the fourth side can take. And that is option C. A very good question, right? And a very simple one. If you understand the triangle inequality, this question is very, very easy.